Welcome to Pack Expo Connects. I'm Rick Gessler, VP of Engineering at Delcor Systems, and this is our segment on retail-ready packaging. Right now, we have engineers and sales managers online, so please use the chat window throughout this presentation if you have any questions. As a manufacturer of advanced robotic packaging systems, Delcor has a unique perspective on retail-ready package design. Not only do we have to understand the needs of your customer, the retailer, but we need to understand the technical requirements to produce those package styles. It is with that understanding that in 2015, we launched the Cabrio case package to meet Walmart's growing retail-ready needs. After 30-plus visits to Walmart's headquarters in Bentonville, we've established a solid understanding of their packaging requirements, and we've built a program here at Delcor to assist our customers in meeting those needs. Today, Cabrio case is one of the most popular, economical, great-looking, and easy-to-open packages on the market, and it's produced at a rate of nearly 500 million cases per year. In addition to Cabrio case, Delcor offers case packing systems that produce club store style stackable trays, tray shrink packaging, and customized die cut trays such as those used by Aldi. We're going to talk about each of these formats in depth, and we're going to talk about some of the latest trends that retailers are driving in retail ready packaging. Delcor's Cabrio case is used by major brands across a wide range of retail categories. At the retailer, the Cabrio case offers perfect shelf presentation. With its clean, pre-cut front edge and nicely finished and wrapped corners, it presents your product perfectly when on the shelf. In addition, these wrapped corners serve a second purpose, and that is to provide additional case integrity. It's common at the retailer for the stock person to grab the front of the tray to slide it on the shelf, and by wrapping this front corner, we get excellent glue joint integrity. In the common tray, there are two minor flaps behind the display flap, and when pulled, they can often break or fail on the shelf, leaving your product with a less than ideal presentation. To optimize your shelf spacing at the retailer, the Cabrio case has the ability to be set up for multi-facing displays such as this one here. Further, our case packing systems have the ability to overlap the products as much or as little as you desire in the tray to make sure that your facing works out perfectly for your shelf slot size. To eliminate products from settling, the Cabrio case is loaded with products laying flat, and it ships with product in that same lay flat orientation. When it arrives at the retailer, the case is turned upright, the hood is removed, and it's placed on shelf for perfect presentation. For products that need to be shipped in an upright manner, we have design variants of the case that can be palletized and distributed in that orientation as well, ensuring that we have the perfect solution for your product. The common element between Delcor's Cabrio case and all of the other shipper styles that our case packing systems produce is that they minimize your packaging materials cost by using a single piece blank. For blister packs or carded products that are converting from hang pegs to shelf-ready displays, it's important to ensure that these products remain upright when on the shelf. To assist with that, Delcor dots can be added to the Cabrio case. The Delcor dots act like cleats, gripping the sides and bottom of that blister pack or carded product to ensure that it remains upright on the shelf without tipping forward or sliding backward as a product is removed from the tray. For only a penny or two, this feature guarantees that your product is always perfectly presented. For rigid containers and cartons, Delcor's tray packing systems offer an economical and flexible solution. With the capability to produce specialty trays, such as those used by Aldi, our tray packing systems offer the same flexibility as our full case packing lines, with quick changeover taking just 8 minutes or less. For large format seasonal and holiday trays, as well as club store trays, Delcor's single-piece blank designs eliminate the need for multi-piece bliss tray formers. And our versatile trifecta former can change between all tray styles in less than 5 minutes. While retailers are almost continuously changing their packaging requirements, there's a clear trend of increasing the demands on shelf-ready packaging to improve the appearance, the functionality, and the areas of the store in which it's used. It's no longer enough to simply add a perforation to your current case and call it retail-ready packaging. Demands have increased dramatically on retail-ready since it was introduced, and some are even calling this period retail-ready 2.0. An example of these increasing demands is Walmart's Project Gigaton and their carbon emission calculator. Within our package lab, you'll find a new full-size Kongsberg CAD cutting table running Artios CAD. You'll find large format print capability, a package compression testing system, and a full-time packaging engineer that works hand in hand with our equipment design team to give you the best designs possible. We supply you with the package designs so that you can cross-shop them with any corrugate supplier to get the best price possible.
Hi, I'm Dale Anderson, President of Delcor, and I'd like to thank all of you for joining us for today's presentation. Before we finish up, we put together a little clip about who we are at Delcor. I hope you enjoy it.